Good morning, students. Today we're continuing with exercise 4.2. Yesterday we have done the question number 1 of exercise 4.2. Question number 2 we are not going to do. Cancel it down. Question number 3, first part. They have asked you to find the cube root of the following numbers. Okay. We know that now in order to find the cube root, we'll do the prime factorization and then we'll make the order of pair of 3. Okay. So minus sign you can see. Forget it for a while and start with your number. I have divided it by 3. So you also divide it by 3 using the prime factorization. Further still it is going by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now it goes by 7. Again 7 and 7. Okay. You need to find out the cube root of minus 250047. Okay. Because minus sign is there, so we'll put the minus sign once. And the prime factorization of it is 3 into 3 into 3. Further 3 into 3 into 3. Multiply 7 into 7 into 7. Make the pair. First pair of 3, second pair of 3 and third pair of 3. 7 sorry. Minus sign is there. ये minus sign ये वाला जो हम continue कर रहे हैं. Fine. It is 3 into 3 divided by, multiply by 7. 2 pairs of 3 and 1 is 7. 3 3s are 9 into 7. 7 9s are 63. That means the cube root of this number is minus 63. Moving to the next part, third part. Okay. So third part says 17 by 27. So first we will convert it into the mixed fraction. How we will convert? These two will be multiplied. 4 into 27 plus 17. Okay. Divided by 27. इन दोनों को multiply करके याद कर देते हैं. Divided by denominator remains same. So 4 into 27 is 108 plus 17 gives you 125 by 27. Okay. This is the improper fraction now. Now we have two numbers, numerator and denominator. Do the prime factorization of both. 125. It will go by 5. 25s are. Again 5. 5s are. 5 1s are. Okay. And for 27, 3 9s are. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now you have to find out the cube root of, cube root का symbol है ये 125 by 27. Okay. Now 125 is 5 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3 into 3. Cube root. I'll make the pair of 5. So we'll get 5 here. अब cube root का symbol नहीं आएगा because we have make a pair. Similarly नीचे किसका pair बन रहा है? 3 का. So 5 by 3. Now the question was in mixed fraction. You also convert it into mixed fraction. It will come 1 2 by 5. And hence your answer. Okay. Moving to second part. Okay. The question is very easy. Leave the minus sign for a while. Similarly 64. Okay. It will go by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 16. 8s are. I suppose everyone can do the prime factorization now. Similarly 1 3 3 1. This goes by 11. 121 and done. I have done the prime factorization of both the numbers. So now I have to do the cube root of minus 64 by 1331. Now again I am putting the sign of cube root. 64, prime factorization of 64 is minus 6 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And downwards 1331, 11 is 3 times. 11 into 11 into 11. Answer. Minus sign ऐसे ही रहेगा आपका. one pair of 2, another pair of 2. So 2 into 2. Denominator, one pair of 11 is there. It will give you minus 4 by 11 and hence your answer. Okay. Moving to the fourth part. Similarly, अभी जब पिछला क्वेश्चन किया था, we'll multiply 5 into 2197 plus 1182 divided by denominator same. Okay. When you will multiply, you will get this number plus 1182 divided by 2197. On adding, you will get 23152 divided by 2197. Okay. Now do the prime factorization of both of them separately. 23152 divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 left. 2 5s are 10. 1 left. 2 7s are 14 and 2 6s are 12. And doing the prime factorization, I hope all of you can do it yourself now. 7s are 14, 8 and 8. Again by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 4, 3. Sorry, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 again, 2 7s are 14. Okay. Now this is divisible by, let's check out, 1447 divided 1447. This goes by, I suppose we have done some mistake. Let us check. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 left, 2 5s are 10, 1 left, 2 7s are 14, 1 left, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 5s are 10, 1 left, 2 7s are 14, 1 left, 17, 2 8s are 16, 1 left, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 17, 2 8s are 16, 1 left, 2 9s are 18 and 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 7. So 1447 is divisible by, let me check, 3 4s are 12. No, it is not going by 3. 7. Okay, I'll check out this in the next video. I suppose some common error is there. So let me check this and we'll discuss with you in the next video. By that time, I'll start with the next question. That is this. In this, you have to evaluate the following. Similarly, you have to find out the cube root. So irrespective of the minus sign, let us first find out the prime factorization of both the number 1331 and 3375. Okay. Okay. Divide 11. 121s are again 11. 11s are 11. 1s are fine. This divide by 5. 5 6 are 5 6 are 30. 3 left. 5 7s are 35. 2 left. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 2 left. 5 5s are 25. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 1 left 17. 5 3s are 15. 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 3 left. 5 7s are 35. Now divide by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now put back. I have to find out the cube root. Minus sign was there. 1331. It's 11 into 11 into 11. Bracket close. Multiply. For 3375, it is 5 into 5 into 5 to 3 into 3 into 3. So we'll make the pair of 11. Here we make a pair of 5 and pair of 3. Now minus sign as it is, we have one pair of 11, 5 and 3. So it will give you 11 into 5, 55 into 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 165. So this is the answer. I hope the question is clear to you. It's an easy one. So now you are left with first part. So first part is your homework. Do it yourself. Okay. So today you have to complete question number 3 and 4 as well. I suggest you to do this also yourself, because कुछ ना कुछ calculation error हुआ होगा. Check out these calculation also. Otherwise the method is same. No other problem is there. Okay. I'll also check out. You also check it out. We'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.